Welcome back to Star Biker, your ultimate destination for the latest updates in the two-wheeler world. Today, we're bringing you an exciting first look at the all-new 2025 TVS Apache 125 TFT BS7. This bike is more than just an upgrade, it's a bold statement from TVS in the 125cc segment. Let's dive in. Design and styling. The 2025 Apache 125 carries the DNA of the Apache RTR series but adds its own sporty twist. With sharp tank extensions, aggressive LED headlamps, and a muscular stance, it looks like a downsized beast ready to dominate city streets. The color schemes are vibrant, and the fit and finish are top-notch, exactly what you'd expect from TVS. Engine and performance. Under the tank, the new Apache 125 packs a refined 124.8cc single-cylinder engine, now BS7 compliant. It delivers a healthy balance of power and efficiency, making it ideal for daily commuting and occasional spirited rides. Expect smooth throttle response and peppy acceleration, thanks to TVS's race-tuned fuel injection system. New TFT console and features. One of the biggest highlights is the all-new TFT digital display, a first in the 125cc class from TVS. It offers Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, gear position indicator, and ride statistics. The bike also includes glide-through technology (GTT) and multiple riding modes, which are rare in this segment. Braking and handling. TVS has equipped the Apache 125 with a strong braking setup, front disc and rear drum, with synchronized braking technology for added safety. The bike handles corners with confidence and rides on telescopic forks up front and a monoshock at the rear, ensuring a well-balanced experience on different terrains. Pricing and rivals. The expected price tag is between 95,000 rupees to 1.05 lakh rupees ex-showroom, placing it slightly above its competitors like the Honda SP 125 and Bajaj Pulsar 125, but with good reason. The added tech and sportier appeal make it a compelling option in the premium 125cc space. Final thoughts. With the 2025 Apache 125 TFT BS7, TVS has redefined what a 125cc bike can offer. It's sporty, feature-packed, and forward-looking. For riders who want tech, style, and performance without jumping to higher segments, this could be the perfect choice. Outro. Subscribe to Star Biker. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the new Apache 125, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Star Biker for more exciting updates and bike reviews.